Alright, now I'm to the part where I took the spring off, knocked the pins out, which was very simple. You just tap on them with a flat head at the top. They break loose, you pry them off. It's all easy and done. Pull this top part off right here. It's really greasy. So take that, put that up there so you don't get it everywhere. Now this is the old short shifter versus the new one is a lot shorter. So I'm going to pull this out and let that fall on the ground. Hopefully this does not need to go in a certain way because it just fell out. So now what I'm going to do is figure out, okay, it goes like this. Now I'm going to take the old one out. Now remember, you got to take this bottom piece off and put it on the new one. So I'm going to let that rest right back there for a minute and show y'all the trick that I'm going to do to get this right. Like I said, it's a little greasy, so you got to get that off. Put it in my back pocket here. Or my front pocket. I got the rest of the supplies here. Now remember, in the original video, you see that there is these things. So what do you do with them? These look like they're 14mm bolts. So hopefully I made that part of one of my checklists, which I think I did. And I'm going to take these bolts out down here and change the shifter bushing before I do anything else. I hope that ain't smaller than the 12. That's a 12 milli. Uh-oh.